in DeKalb County, authorities are on the scene of a deadly shooting at a QuikTrip gas station.
Good day's Marissa Mitchell. She joins us live from Chamblee with the details this morning. Good morning, Marissa.
Good morning. Police are now telling us they believe that gunman got away in a high-end car. They also say that they have good surveillance video from inside and outside the store that gives them a better view of what happened, and they plan on releasing description information soon. If you take a look at this video, you can see more of the investigation that's now some 2 hours in here at the gas station off of Buford Highway. It happened shortly before 4 o'clock this morning. That's when police tell us a group of men were gathered in the parking lot when a Chamblee police officer noticed something wasn't right.
No, he was just here to get gas.
Okay.
And he happened to pull in and he saw the group hanging out. Quickly realized that something wasn't right. By the time he pulled into the gas pumps, he heard the shots, saw a vehicle fleeing, and then he followed that vehicle and realized that wasn't involved. By the time that he made a U-turn and came back in, he observed the body laying in the parking lot.
And police say the victim was shot 4 times in the chest. They also say they are interviewing witnesses, people who were involved with that group, as well as customers here at the QT who were here at the time of the shooting. We're working to gather more details, and we'll pass along those to you as soon as we get it. That's the latest here in Chamblee. Marissa Mitchell for Good Day Atlanta.
Marissa, thank you. It is now